Hey guys, it's Renata from Nourish with Renata back with another episode, and I have been on such an amazing travel time over the past 2 weeks. I was in Florida for a week, and then I've just come back from the Slowdown Retreat over in Virginia for the past 4 or 5 days. So I am really riding high when it comes to the incredible levels of transformation that I was able to observe and witness and be a part of during these 2 incredible weeks. So I wanted to share with you something that has been really integral to my own transformation when it comes to my health and when it comes to my business. And that might surprise you. It is this. Ta-da! Yes, you're probably wondering, why am I holding up a green laundry basket? Yep, that's right. This green laundry basket actually was a very pivotal moment in my life, which I know might sound kind of crazy, but let me explain. So I remember many, many years ago, I was probably, I had all 3 kids at that time. So you might know I have currently a 10-year-old and 2 7-year-olds. This was many years ago. So all the kids, I think, were under the age of 3 or 4. So it was very, very early on with having a toddler as well as newborn twins. And I remember distinctly, it was one night. I had grabbed that green laundry basket because it was filled with laundry and I needed to fold yet another of the seemingly endless amounts of laundry that I was doing. I remember walking from my laundry room holding this filled up green laundry basket, and I walked past my kitchen when all of a sudden this thought hit me like a ton of bricks. And the thought was that no one is going to give me the time to create my dreams. So this was such a clear-headed moment for me because I truly started to see that all of the dreams, all of the aspirations that I had, I was waiting for someone to magically gift me the time to be able to work on them. I thought that, eventually when my kids are older, I'll have the time. Eventually when I have less responsibility at work, because at the time I was working in corporate, I'll have more time to work on my own business or to work on my health. I thought that, all these other things needed to happen so that I would be given the gift of all of this time to be able to make my dreams, my wishes, my desires a reality. And in that moment, while I was holding that green laundry basket, I finally realized that literally nobody is going to give me that time. No one. And so I finally understood that I was the one that needed to give myself that time. I needed to create the space and time to work on the things that I felt called to work on. So part of that was being able to set time aside to work on my business. At that time, I decided there was going to be 3 things every single day that I would work on for my business, and I would get those things done. It didn't matter how big or honestly how small they were, as long as I was doing those 3 things each day. Now, sometimes life happened and I didn't get all 3 of those things done, but the intention was there. And if I didn't complete all 3 tasks that day, it carried over to the next day. And I continued to have the same level of commitment to creating the space and time so that I would start to work on the business, which is Nourish with Renata. I also made the commitment to myself to make time for my health each day. So whether that was working out, making a really great smoothie, making a nice home-cooked meal, these were all things that I knew I could do. All I needed was to have that focused energy, time, and space to do it every day. And once I made that commitment to myself, I was able to work out consistently, get stronger, eat better, have more energy, lose the baby weight, all these things that we think of when it comes to our health. These things are not going to happen without you having dedicated, focused time and attention on yourself. And sometimes it seems like these things can only happen when external situations occur to gift you that time. But I'm here to tell you that no one is going to gift you that time except for you. One of the quotes that I always refer back to is by a guy named Chris Darris, and he talks about the number one mistake that people make is they put unnecessary time between the inception of the idea and their desires Wait, I think I got that quote wrong. Let me try it again. Okay, so the quote is from Chris that the number one mistake that people make is putting unnecessary time between what they want and the action in order to do that thing. So take away that unnecessary time. Stop waiting. Stop putting yourself last. Start taking time and space today, right now, to put yourself first. Whatever that big goal or dream is for you, if it's just eating healthier, if it's just getting out the door and going for a walk or going to the gym, if it's working on your business, whatever your dream or goal is, it is for you and you are worthy of it. All you need to do is make the time and space to commit to it, doing one thing every single day, and that is going to help you to build momentum. That is going to help you to finally start seeing, after many days, weeks, or months of continuing to do that one thing, that it's going to start leading you closer and closer to whatever your dream, desire, or wish is. It's going to happen, because if it can happen for me, it can absolutely happen for you too. And that is everything that I learned from that one miraculous moment where I was literally holding a green laundry basket full of laundry, and having that realization that I am the only one that can give myself this gift of my own time. I hope that you enjoyed this big realization. It was truly transformational to me. I hope that you have found something in your life that you want to continue to take a risk on, that you want to continue to commit to, because whatever your dream, desire, or wish is, it is worthy, it is you. And so go out there and take charge. Go and get it. Make time for yourself today. Whatever it is for you. I'll see you in the next episode.